What's poppin', Kyala? I'm back at it again with another motherfucking video. That was good. So y'all, today, as you guys can see by the title, I will be doing another motherfucking cleaning video because my room looks hideous and I'm tired of it. It's gonna be cleaning / rearranging. This is like part 6,065,000 and 10,000 and million and 2,000,000,000 and 65,233.
What?
Because I do this video almost every freaking couple months, you know, like, hold up, y'all, my boyfriend's calling me, so you guys are gonna have to wait. Yeah, but like I was saying, basically, I'm gonna just be rearranging my room and cleaning my room. I'm gonna show you guys how it looked, and then I'm gonna try to describe how I want it to be. Because, you know, I want to do a lot of different stuff this time than I usually do. My skin's so clear. I might do a skincare routine video for y'all. But yeah, there's a lot of different things that I want to do in here. I just don't know if it's going to work out that way because sometimes it doesn't. Y'all believe that it's 5 something and the sun is out? That's because yesterday was the 14th and daylight savings or something. Yeah, whatever. I'm talking so much. So basically, I'm gonna show y'all. My boyfriend just said what's popping, y'all. He said tell YouTube I said what's popping. He annoying. Yeah, so. Oh yeah, y'all. Oh my god, I gotta show y'all this new mirror that I have brought. Let me put my ring light up. I'm about to show y'all my room, how it looks. It's really not that junky, but I don't like the way it is, so I'm about to show y'all anyway. So yeah, let's go. This is the new mirror that I have brought. It was only $50. It's so cute. It's nice and long. Y'all know that other mirror that I had, it was really short. I actually just gave it away yesterday to my god sister. So yeah, she's gonna enjoy that while I enjoy this new mirror. And yeah, that part period. Say nah, but let me show y'all my room. Let's get into it. Yeah, get into it. So my room looks like this currently. It's giving me very much change it up vibes. Like, I don't like that right here. I need to clean that. Yeah, we're gonna take all of that from over there and clean that. Yeah, then we got over here this. I'm selling this, so if any of y'all in my comments want to know how much I'm selling it for, just let me know. This whole thing has to get cleaned off. I don't want any of this right here. Then I got my vanity. Hey yo, what's up? I got so much mirrors in my room, it's crazy. But yeah, I don't like this. I need to sweep this whole room up, this whole floor. I don't want this right here no more. Tapestry is going on the other side, and then over there. All right, so this is like my snack bar. My mom said I need a cabinet because this is too much. I be buying cereal for my job and everything. And why is my mom calling me? She gotta wait 1 second. So we have a special guest here because my mom doesn't feel good, so we gotta take Nori for a little bit. Nori, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Okay. Well, she's gonna be here during the cleaning. So I got my vacuum and I got the freaking sweeper, whatever that's called. I don't know. And basically, we just gotta get this part started because I'm not trying to be here all day. I already know I'm gonna finish late because I gotta move. Oh, I didn't tell y'all how I wanted my room to be. So I'm going to explain it to y'all what I'm going to be trying to do. So just give me 1 second. So instead of my bed being right here, I want to put my bed over there. Like over there where my vanity is. I want my bed over there. And then I want to take this tapestry and put it right there. Then I want my TV in the dresser right here. And then maybe the vanity could go over here too. And I just gotta figure everything else out because I'm not really certain about what I want to do yet. So I know what I want to do, but I don't know how it's gonna come out. So I might have to change plans like I usually have to do, which I don't feel like doing, but most likely I'm going to have to. But you guys are just gonna be watching me. I'm gonna turn on some music because that's how I work best. And yeah, I'm about to be out of breath right now. So you guys, so far this is where I've gotten. I am so freaking tired. My muscles are killing me. But I'm about to show y'all, look. So far I got the vanity over there. Whew, that was a workout. Now I gotta get this over there. And that's a freaking massive workout because the dresser is heavier than the vanity. So this is gonna be hard. So I had to do a lot of, let me show you guys out here. So it looks crazy out here. This is all my stuff. She's not supposed to be touching that. That's why she's running. It just looks hideous. Look at all this stuff. Nori, where are you going? You should be in here helping me. But let's continue. And my freaking phone keeps running out of storage, so hopefully I can get the whole freaking recording because it keeps giving me notifications. Manage storage, manage storage, manage storage. Even though I could have sworn I got 200 GB. I'm pretty sure I didn't use all that up. I have so much work to do, but this is why I need a freaking camera. I'm gonna get one soon. I'm just trying to save money right now. But yeah.
About me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Alright, y'all, after 27 freaking years, I finally finished the room. And it's like about 7 or 8 o'clock. I started around like 5 and I got done at like 7, 8. So, yeah. So, I'm about to show you guys the finished product. I'm actually really happy. And I think I did a really good job. You guys could comment down below and tell me, tell me how you guys think I did. I feel like I did a really good job. Like, this looks really nice. And it looks like I have more space in my room. So, yeah. Y'all, look at this Madison room. Look at what I did. Period. So, let me just explain everything to you guys. I don't know. It looks so much spacious in here to me. I like all of the space it looks like I have because, wow. Period, babe. You did it. You did that. You did that. The only thing is it looks a little bit darker, though. But I did put my bed over here like I said I was going to do. The only thing that's really missing is the tapestry because I didn't know how I was going to put those over there. I didn't know how to do it. So I just gave up and I just said, you know what, F it. I'll just try to put it up another day. So I did get my bed on this side though. And then I put the vanity over there. Then I put my dresser right next to the vanity. Then I got my storage box over there next to my ring light. My ring light is repositioned. It's usually over here, but now it's over here. Period, poo. I did that, boo. But make sure you guys don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And don't forget to press that bell to be notified whenever I do post. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.